How to find reminders, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find reminders, notifications, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find the settings. Click on it and then just click this one notifications, and here just click reminders, and as you see here you can manage reminder settings on Facebook Lite. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.